Hi everyone, Sherry here. I was asked to do another unboxing review. This time it's a 24-piece, 6-serving dinnerware set from Malacasa. So let's check it out. So this box is very heavy and big. So I'm going to open it up, standing up so I can reach in and show you what's inside. Now they package these really well. I've never had any problem and I don't expect this one to be any different. So it has a styrofoam right on the top. It's got the first 3 bowls there in styrofoam. And here is one of the bowls. And they have 3 of them in the top part of the styrofoam. So I will tip this a little bit again and show you the rest of the box. There is the bottom styrofoam with each of the dishes in their own little slot, protected by the plate protectors in between. I'll get these all out and then we'll go over the features. So here we have the 24 pieces, 6 pieces per item. So we have 6 dessert plates. We have the 6 cereal or soup bowls. We have the 6 dinner plates. And we have the 6 pasta or soup bowls. These will make a beautiful setting. These would be perfect for a small get-together, holiday parties, family get-togethers. If you have a bigger family than 6, you can buy multiple packages. These are a beautiful, plain, white color, simple but elegant. They will fit with any decor, being as they are white. They are made by Malacasa, and as all of their products, they have the stamp on the back so you know it's a real deal. Let's check the sizes, shall we? So this is the Super Pasta Bowl. It holds 39 ounces, and it is about 8 3/4 wide. This is the cereal or soup bowl. It holds 26 ounces, and it is about 6 1/4 inches wide. Here we have the dessert plate, or just a smaller like sandwich plate, and it is a little over 8 inches wide. Here is the dinner plate, and it is about 10 3/4 inches. And this would hold a lot of turkey and trimmings, that's for sure. Because this is a fine porcelain, it is dishwasher safe, it is microwavable safe, and it is freezer safe. I do recommend that if you're going to take it out of the freezer to let it come up to room temperature before you pop it in the microwave. Because like a glass, the extreme in temperature can crack it. They do high temperature firing, which makes these harder and more crack resistant. And these dishes are not just, like I said, for desserts, soup, salad, and the main dish. This could be a sandwich plate, dessert plate, kids plate. This could be a cereal bowl, a soup bowl, or a dessert bowl that you can have ice cream or cobblers in. This can hold either your pasta or your soups. This dinner plate, yes, it'll be used mostly for a dinner plate, I'm sure. But you can use it for a relish tray. You can use it for a serving tray to serve your turkey or your ham on. They are very versatile. They are very simple, but they also are elegant. You put them in a table setting and they're going to look gorgeous. They have a smooth glazed finish to protect from stains and make it easier to clean. They also have a nice stacking system. You can stack these with these and these with these. You can stack these and these and these with these, or you can even stack these on top of these and then have these this way. I would not stack these 6 high because they do kind of lean. They move a little bit. So I would, if you're going to stack them by themselves, leave them with the 3 each or the 3 with any of these. What I like about this is that you can have a matching 4-course meal as your table setting. That will look beautiful. I'm excited, so now I can host a small holiday party with my family. So I'm going to the kitchen to make something fun. I'll be back and show you the beautiful table setting. So here's the 24-piece set of dishes for serving of 6. Each serving has 4 dishes, so you can have a 4-course meal. So with this 4-course meal, we have autumn salmon over a bed of coconut rice. We have a Caesar salad, and we have cranberry pecan oatmeal cookies. A meal fit for a king. This would work perfect for a family get-together or a holiday meal. It's just set out perfect. The color is great for any decor. I really like it. This is Sherry with Cooking with Sherry. Until next time.